in the mathematics section,
Yeah.
If we see the first chapter, that is sets,
ठीक है,
relations,
ठीक है,
and functions.
okay,
There is no change at all.
okay,
In sub chapters, there is no change. That is, you can expect all the questions. That is, all the topics which is present in sets, relations, and functions.
right,
And in the second chapter, that is complex numbers.
right. So basically इसमें कुछ हमारा चेंज भी नहीं हुआ है और वेटेज भी सेम ही रहने वाला है ऑलमोस्ट.
Yes, sir. Same weightage and same topics are present in 2023 and 2024.
Okay.
And in complex numbers and quadratic, there is no change. That is, the weightage is same, and entire topics of complex numbers and quadratic is present.
Okay.
And the third chapter is matrices and determinants.
Correct.
There is an important change in these two chapters. That is, all the topics are important for these two chapters, but the main important change is elementary transformations.
Okay.
Elementary transformations portion has been completely deleted.
अच्छा. और how difficult or easy this one is? Like अगर इसे delete हुआ है, so what is the weightage in terms of understanding this particular thing?
Sir, in the elementary transformation, there is a weightage of 1 bit.
Okay.
Elementary transformations, and it is a link of determinants.
Okay. Okay.
Basically, these elementary transformations, we can use elementary transformation to solve the determinants, to simplify the determinant, but this portion has been deleted.
Okay.
So it is a good thing.
Right.
1 bit has been completely deleted, but you can expect the most important question from this year. It is Cramer's rule.
Okay.
Cramer's rule has not deleted. This question is coming every year and every shift it is having. So the Cramer's rule, one question is compulsory, and another question which is coming under the elementary transformation has been deleted. So the elementary transformation has been completely deleted, but the properties other than elementary transformations for determinants is coming this year.
Okay. Okay. आकाश एक चीज और when you mention मतलब हमारे बाकी audience के लिए they might not be very well aware कि जब आप बोलते हो कि it's 1 bit. So what do you mean by 1 bit?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is a weightage of 4 marks.
Yes, can you help us understand ताकि जो हमारे students हो समझ पाएं? What do you mean by reduction of 1 bit? 4 marks.
Sir, it is a reduction. Yes, sir. It means there are basically for every shift the weightage of matrices and determinants is greater than 2. Every year there are 2 bits coming. That is the weightage. It is 8 marks. But this year the elementary transformation the portion has been deleted.
Correct.
So you can expect other than elementary transformation, what is the portion present? From that portion there is a weightage, that is 4 marks. Again it is introduced. So the total weightage now becomes 8 marks only. There is no change in the weightage. Right. That is every year 8 marks is coming for it. But the 4 marks has been replaced. That is elementary transformation 4 marks has been replaced with another portion other than elementary transformation. There are so many properties for the determinants. So that portion has been included.
Okay, okay. So basically हम यहाँ पे ये बोल रहे हैं कि matrices and determinants में से elementary transformation से वो हट गया है और पहले भी वो 8 marks के ही उसमें से क्वेश्चंस आते थे, अभी भी 8 marks के ही आएंगे, but उसमें से ये elementary transformation वाला पार्ट हट गया, but वो weightage will remain same for the student, जिसमें से आपने बताया कि Cramer's rules जो है, this is one of the most important क्योंकि last year भी इसमें से क्वेश्चंस हमने देखे थे.
Yes, sir. Every year there is a compulsory question for solving the equations, systematic equations.
Correct, correct. Okay, let's go on to the fourth one.
Yes, sir. And it is the fourth chapter is permutations and combinations. Basically, I am going in detail because in every chapter there are some topics has been deleted, and in some chapters the entire chapter is deleted. So you have to understand those two sections.
Clearly. No, that's why we are having this discussion ताकि क्योंकि होता ही है ना कि when we go on to the website, we see कि हाँ ये chapters हट गए हैं. Then we go into a happy zone कि हाँ ये chapters हट गए. Now we don't have to prepare. But we also have to understand कि वो हट जरूर गए हैं, but हटने के साथ साथ कुछ एक addition भी होता है जिसके ऊपर आपको ध्यान देना ज़्यादा जरूरी है. Because अभी तक के पैटर्न के हिसाब से तो हम अगर चलते रहें तो पूरी की पूरी जो सिस्टमैटिक हमारी अप्रोच है वो थोड़ी सी यहाँ पे चेंज होगी इन चीजों को अगर हम देखें तो.
Yes, sir. And I want to mention one more thing, sir.
Yes.
While I am announcing the complete syllabus of the 2023 and 2024, the 2023, what is the PDF which is present? The same PDF is 2024 syllabus.
Right. Achha.
But they have just edited PDF. They have just edited the PDF. That is, suppose this is the syllabus, and in every syllabus there is a full stop at the end.
Correct.
But now it is a comma.
Okay.
So after comma, what is the syllabus it is present? They have just deleted it.
Okay.
So the entire syllabus is not deleted.
Right.
Some portions of some chapters has been deleted.
Right.
You can think like that.
Okay. Okay. No, so that's a good analysis. Yeah. Yeah. मतलब ये एक स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक अच्छा ऑब्जर्वेशन है कि उन्हें सिलेबस देखने में तो सेम लगेगा 23 और 24 का अगर एक बर्ड्स आई व्यू देखेंगे तो ऑलमोस्ट सेम लगेगा बट दे हैव टू गो इनटू द डिटेल टू नो व्हाट हैज बीन रिड्यूस्ड
यस सर
ओके
and the fourth chapter, that is permutations and combinations, there is no change at all. Every topic, so that is ball and stick method, the weightage of this chapter is 4 marks or 8 marks. You cannot expect more than 8 marks. The weightage is same, and the entire topics is present in these two topics. That is permutation is one topic and combinations is one topic.
Yeah. ठीक है, तो इसमें कोई change नहीं है.
No change, sir. And in permutations combination after that, there is a binomial theorem.
Yes.
Students think that the binomial theorem is not for me. But in every step, there is a one simple question. The weightage of this binomial theorem is 8 marks, and every year, every step, there is a 4 marks easy question.
Okay.
And the topic I want to mention here is in binomial theorem, there is a question called reminder, finding reminder.
Right.
In the finding reminder, every step it is coming question. So it is not deleted, the reminder question. And it's a good sign because the binomial theorem, after if you watch 3-4 lectures, you will think that the binomial theorem is not for us. But every year 4 marks is mandatory, that is the reminder question. And if the weightage is 8 marks, the deleted portion, this thing is, there is no change. No change at all.
Okay. So binomial theorem में भी कोई change नहीं है. And remainder में जैसा बता रहे हैं कि हर साल उसमें से question आ ही रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And now, the 6th chapter, that is sequence and series.
Yes.
Sequence and series. What is series? Basically, it is a summation of the numbers. But that in this portion, the deleted portion is HP. That is harmonic progression.
Correct. So harmonic portion is
harmonic progression has been deleted. The entire harmonic portion has been deleted, but AP, that is arithmetic progression and geometric portion has been still present in the syllabus.
Okay. So just
it is deleted.
Yeah. Okay. It's been deleted.
And the next after HP, yes sir. And next after this, that is sum of series. Every year there is a question. Every shift there is a question. That is AGP. That is arithmetic geometric progression. AGP full-fledged question is present in every year. But this portion has been deleted.
Okay. So जैसे आप बता रहे हो आकाश कि ये दोनों जैसे हार्मोनिक एचपी और एजीपी हमने हटा दिया है सिलेबस में से. व्हाट डू यू थिंक, मतलब क्या रीजन रहा होगा एनटीए के पास इन टॉपिक्स को हटाने का? मतलब क्या ये बिल्कुल इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है या रीजन क्या हो सकता है इसको हटाने का? व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन?
Sir, basically this time the NTA has decided which topics the students may feel that is very easy. Those topics have been deleted.
Okay.
And those topics which students may face very difficulty, those topics are also been deleted. So you can see 2 portions, that is HP. It is easy. This portion has been deleted. Sum of series, it is slightly difficult. This portion also has been deleted.
Okay. So आप बोल रहे हैं
कि the paper maybe I am expecting, yes sir. The paper I am expecting this time is moderate.
Okay.
Because it is not in the easy side and it is not in the difficult side. It is in the middle, that is moderate.
So difficulty level basically ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत difficult topics ही NTA ने हटाए हैं. आपके कहने के हिसाब से easy topic भी हैं वो भी हटाए हैं और जो difficult है वो भी हटाए हैं.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay.
And it is not happening in every chapter, sir. In some chapters only it has happened.
Correct.
And in the remaining chapter, the moderate level topics have been also deleted. But the major changes occurred is the easy topics and the hard topics.
Okay.
And in after HP, that is harmonic progression deleted, and sum of series, that is AGP. Here I mentioned AGP, that is arithmetic geometric progression, but it is linked to sum of series. But AP and HP, that is AP and GP, not deleted.
Okay.
The combination has been deleted.
Okay.
But the individual questions definitely come in the exam.
Right. तो अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन और ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन तो आपको फिर भी स्टूडेंट्स आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा. AGP का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है वो आपने डिलीट किया हुआ है. Okay.
Yes, sir. And the next chapter is that is limits, continuity, and differentiability. That is, you can see that limits, continuity, and differentiability. Basically, it is a complete 12 marks weightage.
Okay.
In this 12 marks weightage, just they have deleted the Rolle's theorem.
Okay.
Rolle's theorem and LMVT. LMVT is Lagrange's mean value theorem. These two portions has been deleted.
Okay.
And the remaining entire thing, it is present. Still, it is present.
Okay.
So the limits is entirely present and continuity is entirely present. But in differentiability, the topics that is, which is Rolle's theorem and LMVT has been deleted.
Okay. So differentiability में से सिर्फ दो टॉपिक हैं जो आपके डिलीट हुए हैं.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And it is the limits and continuity application only the Rolle's theorem and LMVT. Yes, the application has been deleted, but the entire concept that is in the limits you can expect the 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, which are the infinity forms. They are all present. That is the indeterminate forms you can say. The entire things are present in limits, and in continuity, finding whether the function is continuous or not. The complete concepts are still present. Yes, they have deleted the Rolle's theorem and LMVT.
Okay. Okay.
And the next topic is that is integral calculus.
Yes.
Integral calculus, which is one of the most important. In the previous class, if you observe, in integral calculus, basically it is a combination of two chapters. That is indefinite integration and a definite integration. These two portions, the indefinite integration weightage has been reduced drastically in the past years. That is, in every shape, whether the indefinite question will come or not. But if you observe the 5 years or 10 years back, the indefinite integration questions weightage is very high.
Yes.
But now the definite integration weightage is very high. But in the definite integration, they have just deleted one topic. That is limit of sum. That is, you can observe limit of sum.
Okay.
This topic has been deleted.
Okay.
This topic is very easy. The weightage every year in every shape, this question maybe have the possibility to come. That is 4 marks weightage. The weightage is not deleted, but the topic has been deleted in this portion.
Okay.
And in the 9th chapter, it is differential equations.
Yes.
Which is a very important chapter. Because in every shape, there is a question from this chapter.
Yeah.
And the weightage is greater than 4 marks.
Mm-hmm.
You can observe 4 marks or 8 marks, but it is not greater than 8 marks. You can observe that it will vary. That is, in some shifts it is 4 marks, in some shifts it is 8 marks.
Right.
When I am writing JEE Mains, I got two questions. That is 8 marks weightage in this differential equations.
Right.
And I am not able to find whether this question came from differential equations. So
Okay.
the idea makes the student to feel that this question does not come from this chapter, because it is a mix of the chapters, and differential equations is part of the integral calculus.
Right.
The students will face difficulty from the calculus itself. So the difficulty faced in the calculus will come in the differential equations, and the students face the difficulty here.
Yeah. So that's kind of a tricky.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And in the differential equations only, one topic has been deleted. That is formation of differential equations.
Okay.
So there is no question that is coming from the differential equation formation. Just you have to solve the differential equation this time.
Yeah. So basically देखा जाए तो अगर हम बोले तो सिलेबस में ऐसा कोई बहुत ज्यादा ड्रास्टिक चेंज नहीं है. There are few topics which you don't have to worry about, but उसमें भी आपको topics या chapters तो सारे के सारे करने ही हैं. It's just about few things that you can possibly ignore, or probably if you were weak in that area, वो क्वेश्चन नहीं आने वाले हैं. Otherwise largely it's all same. So it's a buzz कि syllabus reduce हुआ है.
Yes, sir.
ये तो ऐसा
And the next chapter.
या ये कुछ ऐसा ही है ना कि अगर पूरे सिलेबस में से एक टॉपिक भी हट जाता तो it must have become a news कि भाई syllabus reduce हुआ है, but when we look at the quantum of reduced syllabus, it's almost negligible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it is negligible, sir, but the students can focus the remaining portion very seriously, and the portion which has been deleted, just you can go through, or you can completely ignore them.
Yeah.
And the next portion is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is comprised of total of 5 chapters. That is straight lines, pair of straight lines. That is it is a mix of straight lines and pair of straight lines, circles, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola.
Yeah.
These 5 chapters. But in these 5 chapters, the portion which is deleted, it is not a portion. It is just a topic. That is equation of angle bisectors.
Okay. तो बेसिकली इसमें से भी पूरा चैप्टर ही है, बस एक छोटा सा ये टॉपिक है जो शायद अब इस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के ऊपर क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, अदरवाइज दे कैन कंसीडर कंप्लीट कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री टू बी कमिंग इन.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And family of lines. But sir, I want to mention that equation of angle bisectors and family of lines, these two topics are 4 marks weightage. These two topics definitely have high importance in before 2024, that is 2023 the paper, and 2023 if you observe the previous tense, definitely there is a question from the angle bisectors to find the acute angle bisector and obtuse angle bisector, and in family of lines there is a definite question in every shape. But this time the India has completely deleted these topics.
Okay.
So you can expect the question from other topics.
Yes.
What are the other topics? That is to form the straight line equation, to find the tangent, tangent of the parabola, common tangent between the circle and ellipse. These questions definitely come this time. The common tangent, I want to mention that in the coordinate geometry, that is the common tangent topic. Common tangent between any two curves, that is whether it is parabola, ellipse, circle, or hyperbola. This topic will definitely have the weightage of 4 marks this time, and it will definitely come in the exam. Every shift and in every year, it has been followed weightage.
तो आपका तो इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाएगा फिर आकाश इस हिसाब से, क्योंकि जैसा बता रहे हैं कि इक्वेशन ऑफ एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स एंड फैमिली ऑफ लाइन में से अगर एक एक क्वेश्चन आ रहा था ऑलमोस्ट ऑफ 8 मार्क्स, तो अभी तक जो स्टूडेंट्स पास्ट ईयर पेपर देख के कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री को स्ट्रेंथन करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, उन्हें तो ज्यादातर जो क्वेश्चन मिले होंगे वो इक्वेशन ऑफ एंगल बाइसेक्टर एंड फैमिली ऑफ लाइंस के ऊपर ही उन्होंने ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस की होगी टिल नाउ. That means for them it's time now to focus on other topics like you have mentioned like a common tangent, क्योंकि अब अगर ये दो टॉपिक में से 8 मार्क्स नहीं आएंगे तो किसी और जगह से तो आएंगे. तो अब ये चैलेंज होगा आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए कि हाँ अब उन टॉपिक्स को हमको ढंग से पढ़ा जाए.
Sir, I want to mention another topic from the coordinate geometry. It is basically properties of circle and ellipse.
Yeah.
And parabola and hyperbola.
Right.
These properties, that is the circle, ellipse, and parabola and hyperbola, these properties are very important, and definitely 4 marks are coming from this topic. So the weightage here only it will come up to, that is 8 marks.
Yeah.
But the actual weightage of coordinate geometries you can expect up to 12 marks.
Right. Right.
So 8 marks is here only. That is, if you learn the properties, you will get 4 marks. And if you learn the common tangent concept, you will get 4 marks.
Yeah.
So basically 8 marks is here. The other 4 marks will come on the topic which is important, rather than equation of angle bisectors and family of lines.
Yeah. So basically this will disrupt the whole equation which we or the students have been practicing for so long, like for last 6 or 7 months. They must have been following the last year papers, last year syllabus, last year questions and all. Now, previously they were managed to get questions from the other topics which have been deleted. Now the scenario is going to be completely shifted to the new topics which they must have not seen till now.
Yes, sir. But sir, these topics are very simple, sir. What are the topics now I am saying? Yeah. But the equation of angle bisectors and family of lines, the student cannot find that, this cannot think of that the question will be solvable by using these concepts.
Yes.
So it is good sign, but they have to practice these 2 topics, that is common tangent and properties of these 4 curves.
Right. So basically past year papers or topics, basically last year question papers उनमें से आपको कोई अभी हेल्प नहीं होने वाली है. इस बार जो क्वेश्चंस होंगे वो इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ कंप्लीट सरप्राइज फॉर देम.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But these two topics, what are the previous year questions present? You can ignore them, but there are so many questions which you can find in the previous year from the common tangent as well as the properties of circle, ellipse, and hyperbola.
Okay.
In a circle, ellipse, and hyperbola also, the main properties comes in the parabola and ellipse.
Right.
So you can think of the ellipse and parabola question. That is in the numerical type. You can expect the question from the ellipse and parabola.
Right. Now they have fewer topics to concentrate on, basically.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And the next chapter is that is 3D geometry.
Yes, 3D geometry. Yeah.
It is a very feeling bad, sir, because the 3D geometry, which is considered one of the highest weightage
Right.
of the entire JEE mathematics, in this portion, the entire plane concept has been deleted.
Okay. Okay.
That is the formation of plane equation, plane equation, and family of planes.
Okay. तो प्लेन टॉपिक आप बोल रहे हैं कि वो पूरा अभी हटा दिया है इसमें से.
Yes, sir. Because the plane weightage is definitely you can think of 8 marks, sir. Not every shape, but there are some shifts which came up to 8 marks.
Yeah.
In the plane topic. But you can expect up to 4 marks, but this time the entire plane has been deleted. That is the plane equation and the family of planes.
Okay.
And the next topic is vector algebra.
Right. So basically
in the 2023 paper, I observed, sir, from these two topics, that is 3D geometry and vector algebra, up to 16 marks they have given paper. Some shifts.
Okay.
Up to 16 marks. And in some papers, they have given 12 marks weightage.
Okay.
These two topics are very high weightage chapters. But this time, they have deleted the plane, which is considered to be 4 marks weightage every year in every shift. But so now the weightage can be reduced to 12 marks or it is reduced to 8 marks. But if they focus on other topics, which is the line, here the plane has been deleted, but line is not deleted. So you can expect the questions that is the shortest distance between lines, that is skew lines. Right. Every year, every shift, there is a question from the skew lines. So you can expect that topic has been given high weightage this time.
Correct, correct.
And then the next topic is vector algebra. In vector algebra, there is no major change, but that is triple product has been deleted.
Okay. So basically जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स ये देख रहे होंगे उन्हें थोड़ा सा अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी को थोड़ा सा चेंज करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज अब थोड़ा सा जो टॉपिक्स बेसिकली जो पूरे टॉपिक हटे हैं उनका जो भी वेटेज होगा वो दूसरे टॉपिक्स के ऊपर अब जाएगा ही जाएगा.
Yes, sir. And the next topic, that is vector algebra, the triple product has been deleted, sir. Because this triple product, definitely there is a weightage of 4 marks.
Okay.
Now this has been deleted.
Okay.
In triple product, that is a dot product, that is a vector triple product and scalar triple product. That is, you can consider the box product. But you have to revise the box product properties. The box product has been deleted. But there is a chance of asking the parallel piped volume and tetrahedral volume.
Okay.
So in that concept, there is a application of triple product. So you can completely, there is no ignorance of triple product. You have to see the properties, just properties. Not going depth and practicing many questions of triple product. You have to just revise the concept of triple product, especially that is the scalar triple product, not vector. Vector has been completely deleted, but in scalar triple product, right, you have to revise box product.
Okay. So this is still there.
Yes, sir. This is still there, but it is the application of triple product.
Correct.
If triple product only deleted, there is not having the highest possibility, but there might be question because this box product is very important. Every year, every shift there is a question. Right. So you have to revise the triple product, scalar product.
Right. So basically, so it's again a takeaway point कि as a student
yes,
अगर हम बोल रहे हैं कि triple product अगर आपने delete कर दिया है तो आप उसको completely ignore नहीं कर सकती. You again still have to know what is the concept is all about क्योंकि सब topic अभी भी है उसमें.
Yes, sir. And the next chapter is the probability.
Yeah.
If the probability weightage is 4 to 8 marks.
Yeah.
If permutations and combinations, which I already explained, if the weightage is 8 marks there, the probability weightage is 4 marks. So basically, permutations and probability are totally which is considered to be same weightage. But if PNC comes from 8 marks, the probability will come from 4 marks. If it is 4 marks, it will be 8 marks.
8 marks, yeah.
So basically the entire summation will be approximately 12 marks every year.
दोनों मिला के 12 marks तक आने वाले हैं, या तो उसमें कम होगा या इसमें कम
Yes,
होगा.
sir.
So it will balance it out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But these 12 marks, in some shifts I observed in the previous year, this weightage has been reduced to 8 marks in some shifts, and they have increased the weightage to another chapters. But you can expect up to 8 marks in TNC and probability.
Okay.
And this time in probability, the Bernoulli's trial topic.
Yeah.
The Bernoulli's
yeah.
trial, and another topic, that is binomial distribution, which is a very easy topic if they understood. If they don't understand, it is very difficult to solve. But this topic has been deleted this time.
Okay. तो ये दोनों चैप्टर, ये दोनों टॉपिक के बारे में अब आपको नहीं सोचना है ज्यादा, but you still have to focus on other part because the weightage is still same.
Yes, sir. And in the probability, I want to say one thing, that is total probability theorem.
Okay.
Total probability theorem.
Yeah.
It is very important. You can expect 4 marks here.
Yeah.
And another topic, base theorem.
Right.
These two topics are very important. And this topic also 4 marks. If they given the total probability theorem 4 marks, they don't give 4 marks for base theorem. The base theorem will not include in any shift if they given total probability theorem.
Right.
So you can expect this question or this question. 2 questions you cannot expect in any shift.
Okay, either of those. Yeah.
But yes, sir. These two topics are very important in terms of probability.
Correct. So Akash, just out of the context, मतलब अगर मैं मतलब क्योंकि it's not related with the reduced syllabus, my question is just for the sake of the student कि अगर students को for example अगर वो probability को पढ़ ही रहे हैं, it is out of the context question. So how much time do you think they should give in order to master this particular topic, probability? जैसे ये बहुत important एक aspect है JEE के हिसाब से. अगर मैं बोलूं कि मैं आज इसको प्रिपेयर करना शुरू कर रहा हूं बीइंग एन इंजीनियरिंग जेईई एस्पिरेंट, हाउ मच टाइम इज जस्टिफाइड एंड शुड बी गिवन टू पर्टिकुलरली दिस टॉपिक, इफ नॉट मोर? मतलब हम बोल सकते हैं ना कि यार ये टॉपिक के ऊपर आप 25 घंटे से ज्यादा मत दीजिए, क्योंकि अगर आपने 25 आवर्स से ज्यादा दिया, दैट मींस यू आर बर्निंग योर फ्यूल टू एन अनरीजनेबल एक्सटेंट. तो कितना अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम आपको लगता है कि इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोबेबिलिटी है, इसके लिए इतने घंटे से ज्यादा नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is not more than 12 hours, sir. It is not more than 12 hours, and you have to practice up to 4 hours. So basically, it is not more than 16 hours.
Okay, so altogether, if we say, अगर आपने 20 hours तक probability को दे दिया, you can master it to an extent. Of course, nobody will be able to do it perfectly, but 20 to 25 hours is more than sufficient for this particular topic.
Yes, sir. Because the Bernoulli's trial and binomial distribution, these two topics are somewhat important and vast. But these two topics has been deleted. So the amount of time given to the probability now it is reduced.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. सो अगर हम ये देखें कि हाँ हमारे चैप्टर्स मतलब मार्क्स देखें तो मार्क्स सेम है, क्वेश्चन अभी भी उतने ही आने वाले हैं, बट अब आपका जो टाइम फॉर प्रिपरेशन है वो बेसिकली अब कम हुआ है, सो दैट यू कैन फोकस ऑन अदर थिंग्स.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And the last chapter in the mathematics section, that is trigonometry. It is not the single chapter. There are approximately 5 chapters included in trigonometry. In those 5 chapters, the first chapter that has been deleted, entire chapter, that is heights and distances.
Okay.
Heights and distances, and the second, that is trigonometric equations. These two topics has been deleted.
Okay.
And the trigonometric equations, every year in every shift there is a weightage of 4 marks. Now it is deleted.
Okay.
And in heights and distances, it is a possibility of coming one bit, that is a 4 marks weightage, or it will not come 4 marks. The trigonometric, which are the other portions, that is inverse trigonometric functions, inverse, it is still present.
Yes.
So you can expect if it is if heights and distances is completely deleted, the weightage shifted to inverse.
Correct.
You can expect now 2 questions from this.
Yeah.
You can expect 2 questions from the inverse, because the inverse has many properties and there are many challenging questions in the inverse trigonometry. So you can expect. But the trigonometric equations portion has been deleted. It is shocking, sir.
Right. जो स्टूडेंट ज्यादा इसमें ध्यान दे रहे होंगे, basically now your attention needs to go to the inverse trigonometry.
Yes, sir. Inverse trigonometric functions and the basic trigonometry, that is formulas. So
Correct.
basically, the student cannot afford to give more time in trigonometry, sir, because in trigonometry they have to just revise the formulas.
Correct.
Just revise the formulas. How many formulas they can remember? They have to remember the formulas first thing, and the second thing they have to just focus in inverse. So the entire trigonometry can be completed in approximately 10 hours only, not
Okay.
more than 10 hours.
Okay.
At the present scenario, because the most important chapter, that is trigonometric equations, has been deleted.
और अगर आकाश ये पुराना सिनेरियो होता 2023 का, अगर ये चैप्टर डिलीट नहीं
Yes, sir.
हुए होते तो कितने आवर्स लगने वाले थे इन्हें स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ने में?
सर इसमें कम से कम 20 घंटा लगेगा सर.
ओके, तो बेसिकली 50% टाइम रिडक्शन हो गया है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
करेक्ट. नो, तो दैट्स अ गुड एनालिसिस. मतलब ये एक स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जानना इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज अगर आपको आपका प्लेग्राउंड के बारे में नहीं मालूम होगा, यू डोंट नो वेयर यू हैव टू स्कोर.
Yes, sir. And in the mathematics section, sir, when I observed 2021 and 2022 and 2023, the mathematics, that is the difficulty, it is maintained in every shift and in every year. From 3 years, that is 2021, 2022 and 2023. The mathematics you cannot compromise. Because in mathematics, every shift they have they make the paper moderate or difficulty. In any shift, there is no case that is the mathematics is entirely easy. It is only moderate and difficult, sir.
Correct.
And so many students face the difficulty in mathematics only.
Yes. No, of course. So it's a JEE main paper. They cannot expect that to happen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But this time they have to focus more on mathematics, sir, because some topics which are very easy to score, some topics has been deleted and some topics has been left. The topics are also very easy. So you can practice those topics and at least they can score up to 60 to 80 marks at this time. But they cannot expect to score more than 80 marks. But if they prepare well, they can easily score 100 marks also.
इसका आकाश, इन माय ओपिनियन, इसका एक एस्पेक्ट और भी हो सकता है कि जिन टॉपिक्स को हम इजी बोलते हैं कि इजी टॉपिक है, दिस आल्सो मीन कि उस बार उन इजी टॉपिक में से ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस 110% आने वाले हैं, क्योंकि इजी तो कुछ भी जेईई मेन में नहीं होने वाला. ये जरूर होगा कि अब उसमें से ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस होंगे. टॉपिक इजी होगा, बट देन यू हैव टू हैव योर एप्टीट्यूड इन ऑर्डर टू सॉल्व देम.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
And the mathematics section has been completed, sir.
Okay, fine.